Welcome to a celebration of the soul of India, where we embrace the beauty of our culture and heritage. Presenting to you Dharohar, the celebration of Indian culture and heritage. Today, the kids are going to take you to a magical journey where they are going to showcase traditions, rituals, and customs. Let's celebrate the richness of India today together. Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. As sunlight expels the darkness, similarly, blessings bring in our life the prosperity and happiness. To make this program a blessed one, invoke Goddess Saraswati by kindling the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. For seeking the choicest blessings for the same, as a custom of Credo Joy, to start everything with a prayer and keep God the center of everything we do. I invite members of Credo Joy Management Team, Director Marketing and PR at DPS, Mr. Jitendra Soni, Director of Operations at DPS, Mr. Abhinav Sarogi, Principal of DPS, Ms. Sakshi Mishra, Ms. Kumudini, Center Head at Credo Joy, and Ms. Rupali for lighting the lamp. Song tha ki nahi? And now I would request Ms. Sakshi ma'am to kindly come on stage, and I would request Kumudini ma'am to kindly felicitate Sakshi ma'am. Ms. Sakshi Gautam Mishra is an innovative and sagacious trainer for faculty and other department. She is a recognized teachers trainer by CBSE, and as a part of that bench has conducted various training sessions in schools like DPS, APS, Sainik School, etc. She has done her Masters in Commerce, Masters in Business Administration, and Masters in Clinical Psychology. Facilitated by UP Governor for creating awareness on fuel conservation. Facilitated by the ex-Minister of the Human Resource for implementing innovative teaching practices. Felicitated by ex-Deputy CM of UP for being a socially responsible educationist. Honored as an educationist by the Rehabilitation Council of India for promoting school mental health programs. It's an honor to have you on stage, ma'am. Please put your hands together for her.
I welcome each one of you sitting here. It's an absolute honor to be a part of this annual day, and we are really looking forward for the little ones to perform. The starting of the prayer, the mantras sung by those little ones were cute enough. I think we all were in awe looking at them, and they all were just involved. They were not bothered about anyone. One of them was looking at the parent, I believe, and then she forgot to sing the mantra. That was so beautiful. And this is the beauty of this age. I believe when you are of this age, you know that the world is beautiful no matter what is happening around you. And in Credo, in DPS, we just nurture that. We always try and bring innovations. We always try and bring in new things so that we can nurture the children to the best of our abilities. At national and international level, the complete team, our chairman, our directors, teachers, everyone is involved and is just trying new ways to nurture the children, to make sure that each one of you is happy to see them blooming, see them growing, and of course, seeing them grow into individuals for whom we all will be proud of. I am 100% sure with the kind of efforts each one of you are also putting in, because as parents, we really look forward for your kind cooperation. And without your cooperation, nothing is possible. So thank you so much for believing in Credo, for being with us, and I hope it continues. Thank you so much for joining all. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words. You enlightened all of us today. To give the first fruit of the day to Lord is one of the most valuable ways to show our love to God. With these sentiments in mind, let us invoke the blessings on all of us through a prayer dance.
Suryakooti Samaprabha Nirvighnan Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Ganapati Bappa Moria Mangalmurti Moria
our little Credonians are here to spread a message that our India is so special. Unity in diversity. Our country is a land of many states, languages and cultures. But despite these differences, we all live together as one big family, loving and respecting each other. Let's meet our little ambassadors of unity. Now we have a dance by Playgroup. Put your hands together for them. So, when I speak about the customs and traditions of Goa, what comes to your mind? Goan dance, that's one point. Let's take you on a journey of sunny and spirited land of Goa, a place known for its stunning beaches, lush greenery and a vibrant culture. Goa is not just a state, it's a vibe. Famous for its festivals, Portuguese heritage and love for music and dance. Goans celebrate life with unmatched enthusiasm and energy. Today, our little performers will showcase a delightful. So get ready to tap your feet and feel the Goan vibe. Let's welcome our young dancers from Nursery Shining Sun with a big round of applause as they present a vibrant Goan dance for you all to enjoy. Put your hands together for them.
Sangatuka, Ali Kazo, Ija, Pila,
dziś Madinaka, ani pozoricia pilana, dziś Madinaka. Mama I know, ani paci ponali tulo. Mama I know, ani paci ponali tulo. Ani pozoricia pilana, taka yaka sakailo. Ani pozoricia pilana, taka yaka sakailo. Ya 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 ya, ya 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 ya, ya 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 ya, ya 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 ya, ya
directly to Assam. We take you to the beautiful state of Assam, known for its lush green tea gardens, the mighty Brahmaputra river and its vibrant traditions. One of Assam's most cherished celebrations is the festival of Bihu, which marks the arrival of spring and the harvest season. The highlight of the Bihu dance, a traditional folk dance, is that it is full of energy, rhythm and grace. The dancers wear colorful Assamese attire and perform to the lively beats of traditional instruments. Today, our little stars from nursery Smiling Star are here to spread the joy of Bihu through that charming performance. So sit back, clap and enjoy the spirit of Assam with this beautiful Bihu dance. Put your hands together for them.
Keep on.
together for yourselves also. Because your energy is so stunning, so I have a game for all the parents here. So how's the Josh? How's the Josh? So I'd like to invite on stage a mom who's wearing the most rings in her fingers. So let's count the number of rings in their fingers. कितना ring है? 3. 4. 5. We have a clear winner here. 5. Ma'am, your name? Anita. Put your hands together for her.
Thank you, ma'am.
Put your hands together for her. And now we had a game for all the moms, so we have one for the dads also. So I'd like to invite any dad on stage who's wearing the most jewelry. Put your hands together for these energetic dads. So let's count from there. I can see one earring, and a ring, and a watch, and a bracelet, and chain also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I count 5? Sir? 1, 2, watch. Okay, I'll count 2. Ring, kada, and watch. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 4. Earrings 4. Okay. 5 chain. Okay, we have 2 ties here. 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. 5. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 2 chains, 1 chain, 2 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Congratulations, sir. The land of kings, palaces, and colorful tradition. Our little Credonians are here to create this magical experience for you. With their joyful twirls and rhythmic movements, they will take you straight to the heart of Rajasthan. So get ready to be mesmerized by their charm. Put your hands together for them.
जाओ जी मन गीत कराओ जी राखों तरसावे हो मन सकल दिखाओ जी हर शरारत सब जानू मैं चौधरी हर सले मन भंगा दी मैं कह लगे मर टुकड़न जागी दो कड़ी में चंदा में थारी चांदनी पर दामन में खुशी झूम झूम
not just a performance, it's a devotional ritual performed to seek blessings from the deities, especially goddess Bhavani or Khandoba. It's a perfect blend of music, storytelling, and dance performed with great devotion during auspicious occasions. The Gondhar tradition is a fine example of how art and spirituality come together to create something truly magnificent. Through its powerful songs, energetic rhythms, and dramatic narrations, Gondhar takes us on the journey to the divine world of gods and goddesses. Today, our talented little performers from Senior KG Shining Sun bring to life the magic of Gondhar with their spirited act. So let's immerse ourselves in the mystical aura of Gondhar, get ready to clap along, cheer, and soak in the energy of this beautiful folk art form.
मल्हारवारी मोतियाने दाबी भरून नाहीतर देवा देवा मी जातो दुरून
मल्हारवारी मोतियानं द्यावी भरून नाहीतर देवा देवा मी जातो दुरून ओढलावती अशीच मान गावाकडची सारं हालती पुन्हा नव्याने तीरटाची घाटी
Punjab, what comes to mind? Get ready to experience the vibrant energy of Punjab and the land of 5 rivers. Lush green fields and endless celebration. With energetic moves, rhythmic beats of the dole and vibrant costumes, This dance is sure to fill the atmosphere with excitement and happiness. So let's clap along and enjoy the spirit of Punjab with our little performers of Credo Joy from Junior KG Smiling Star. Put your hands together for them.
सुंदर मुंदरिए तेरा कौन जाना दुल्ला पट्टी वाला दुल्ले पीने आई से शक्कर आई कुड़ी दा सालू वाला सालू ब्लाउज में लोड़ियां मनादियां ने जोड़ियां भैनां पईयां गांदियां भरावां दियां घोड़ियां जोड़ियां दे शगन मना जदों ए आउंदी ए लोड़ी बड़ा जी लाउंदी ए लोड़ी जदों ए आउंदी ए लोड़ी बड़ा जी लाउंदी ए लोड़ी ए भैण भरावां दी लोड़ी दिलां दी जावां दी लोड़ी ए भैण भरावां दी लोड़ी बड़ा जी लाउंदी ए लोड़ी जदों ए आउंदी ए लोड़ी ते खुशियां लियाउंदी ए लोड़ी खुशियां दे राते आई चावां दे बराते आई ठंडी ठंडी लगदी हवा लाड मल्हारां दी लोड़ी मुहब्बतां प्यारां दी लोड़ी ए लोड़ी सेकण दे सानू नजर पर वेखण दे सानू ए लोड़ी सेकण दे सानू नजर पर वेखण दे सानू जदों ए आउंदी ए लोड़ी दुनिया दा लियाउंदी ए लोड़ी जदों ए आउंदी ए लोड़ी दुनिया दा लियाउंदी ए लोड़ी
मोह मंगिया मुरादा ने मोह मंगिया मुरादा ने साडा परदेसिया दा सरमाया यादां ने साडा परदेसिया दा सरमाया यादां ने
ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਲੋੜੀਆਂ ਮਨਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜੋੜੀਆਂ ਸੋਹਣਿਆਂ ਜਹਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਥੋੜੀਆਂ ਜੋੜੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਬੜਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਲਿਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਲਿਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਲਿਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ
Put your hands together for them. And now I have some gifts for our mom and dads. So I would request any 5 dads to kindly come on stage. We have a game and then you'll win a gift. So we have a small game. When I say head, you touch on your head. When I say shoulder, shoulder, knees and toes. Kariye head, shoulder, knees, toes.
Whoa.
Congratulations. Thank you so much for the energy. Aye, sir. Put your hands together for them. The heroes of Trello Joy. Thank you so much to come on stage. Congratulations. I will have to say, you guys run lives. You definitely take care of the kids and the house, and how beautiful they look. Put your hands together for them. You guys are looking stunning today. अब बोलेगा नहीं कि moms है. Head, shoulder, knees, toes. क्या बात है, पूरा कर रहे हैं. Look at them nuts.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
There's only one winner now. The competition is tough. Let's start, ma'am.
Head, shoulder, knees, toes. Head, shoulder, knees, toes. Toes, head, toe. Now she is out. Now she is out, right?
Put your hands together for her. Put your hands together for them. Thank you so much for joining us on stage. Please take your seats. We are all set to bring you the colors of joy and happiness and togetherness with the celebration of Rang Mahotsav, as known as Holi, the festival of colors. Holi is one of India's most vibrant festival where people come together to spread love, play with colors and celebrate the victory of good over evil. It is a time when families and friends gather to enjoy music, dance and of course a lot of colors. Though we may not be throwing colors here today, our little ones are ready to showcase the joy and energy of Holi through a colorful dance performance. So get ready to see the spirits of Rang Mahotsav come alive on stage with lively moves, bright smiles and vibrant colors in the air. Let's join in the performance from Senior KG Smiling Stars in celebrating the festival of colors and spread happiness just like we do on Holi. Here comes our Rang Mahotsav dance. Enjoy the show and feel the joy of the festival. Put your hands together for the students.
गुलाल लेके खेलते
होली आई शाम के द्वारे लाख मारूंगा तो कोई पिचकारी मारे। आई होली आई रे आई होली आई वो शाम तेरे द्वारे पे चल टोली आई ए आई होली आई रे आई होली आई शाम तेरे द्वारे पे चल टोली आई हर पिचकारी कोई रंग लाया है हर पिचकारी कोई रंग लाया है पकड़ की रंग ये मेरा मन भाई आई होली आई रे आई होली आई शाम तेरे द्वारे पे चल टोली आई होली आई रे आई होली आई शाम तेरे द्वारे पे चल टोली आई ए आई होली आई रे आई होली आई।
Put your hands together for them. कैसे लगा performance? क्या बात है, क्या बात है. From managing households to managing our lives, they do it all with love, care and strength. But today they are not just at home. They are here to show us that they are not just superheroes behind the scenes. Do you know who I'm speaking about? That's right. They've got some incredible moves too. And today, they'll take us on a journey through Indians' rich culture and heritage, reflecting the vibrancy and diversity that is so deeply embedded in our traditions. Put your hands together for our lovely mothers.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Lambodar tu vinay मीठे इसके बोल नाचे इसकी गोल 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 तो ढम ढम बाजे
request Preeti ma'am to kindly come on stage. Preeti ma'am was the HM of Credo Joy since 2019 to 2022.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's my pleasure to be here. It's actually been a very nostalgic feeling for me today. I missed past 2 years because I wasn't here, but it has been a credible journey working with Credo Joy under the management, and I really am running out of words today. It's a very heartwarming feeling for me to be with the Credo family, and the only thing I can say is thank you to the parents for being here, for all the encouragement, for all the support that you've given, and we look forward to it. And I really want to give lots of congratulations, a big thanks to the little ones. Congratulations to Kumudini ma'am and the entire Credo team for putting up such a wonderful event. And I'm sure parents, you have all enjoyed the event today here. I just say I just love all these kids and love being here with them. And I really am running short of words. So just saying thank you to everyone, and that's all. Thank you so much for calling me here. I'm absolutely grateful that I was invited here for this event. So thank you so much to the management for inviting me here. Thank you everyone.
And now we have the grand finale of Credo Joy. As we come to the end of this wonderful evening, it's time for a grand finale, a celebration of India's togetherness. India is a land of unity in diversity, where people from all walks of life come together as one. Tonight, our little stars will remind us that no matter our differences, we are all united by the spirit of love and brotherhood. Let's celebrate the true essence of India, its togetherness through its special performance. Let's cheer and join in the spirit of unity. The entire team of Credo Joy, guys, put your hands together for them.
मेरे सुर में ना तुम्हारा तो सुर में हमारा
Deepest gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Ms. Sakshi Mishra, Principal of DPS Panvel, for taking time out of your busy schedule to grace this event with your presence. Your inspiring words and thoughtful insights have left a lasting impression on all of us. We are truly grateful for your support and encouragement. I would also like to express my heartfelt appreciation to our respected chairman, Mr. Anuj Agarwal, for your unwavering support and exemplary leadership. Your dedication to fostering an environment of growth and learning has been instrumental in the success of our institution. A special thank you to our visionary directors, Mr. Abhinav Saraugi and Mr. Jitendra Soni, for your continuous encouragement, strategic guidance, and dedication to the development of our institution. Your efforts lay the foundation for our achievements. I also extend my gratitude to our center head, Ms. Kumudini Mali, for her tireless efforts in overseeing every detail of today's event and ensuring its success. Your commitment and hard work are truly appreciated. A big thank you to Ms. Preeti and Ms. Rupali for her invaluable time and unwavering support for Credo Joy. Your presence here means a lot to us. To our dedicated and talented teachers, thank you for your passion and immense contribution to shaping the minds of our students. Your hard work and creativity make a significant difference in their lives, and we deeply value your role in ensuring the success of this event and the overall growth of our children. To the parents, thank you for your trust, involvement, and encouragement. Your unwavering support motivates us to strive for the best every single day. A heartfelt thanks to our support staff and technicians who have worked diligently behind the scenes to ensure that every aspect of today's event ran smoothly. Your hard work often goes unnoticed, but it is invaluable to the success of such occasions. To our talented choreographers team, your creativity and dedication brought magic to today's performance. Thank you for helping our students shine so brightly. And last but certainly not least, to our wonderful anchor, Miss Maria, thank you for your energy, charisma, and seamless flow throughout the program. You truly kept the audience engaged and made this event all more enjoyable. In conclusion, I thank each one of you present here for being a part of this special occasion and making it truly memorable. Together, let us continue to work towards greater achievements and create more such moments of joy and celebration. Thank you all and have a wonderful day ahead.